All right, here we are at Metro Kia, Atlanta's newest Kia dealership in Cartersville, Georgia. Metro Kia, 770-386-8400. This is a Kia store that you want to make one of your destinations. If you are looking for a bang for your buck when it comes to transportation, and you don't give Kia a chance, you are absolutely out of your ever-living mind. Kia has got an awesome product lineup. From the Kia Soul for the kids to the new Cadenza. Their first entry into the luxury market. Look, you want to look at Audi, you want to look at Mercedes-Benz, Lexus, Infiniti, have at it. But do not, I repeat, do not buy a luxury vehicle without checking out Cadenza. In fact, let's go take a look at one right now. Metro Kia, Cartersville, Georgia, 313 North Tennessee Street, 770-386-8400, MetroKiaAtlanta.com.